you can see these pieces.
Yeah, these are the Mid-Century Modern Shapes shawl pins.
And there's even in the, not just these, but in the sets of stud buttons, there's circle, triangle, square. So that's kind of a repeating shape that we have.
Yeah.
When I saw these, I was drawn to these because they feel really nice. There's something really nice about the texture of these that I was drawn to.
The satin finish.
The satin finish, it looks really, really nice. And they're almost interchangeable. But I love the shape of those. And so I don't know what story I asked, but I think I just asked, like I want to do.
Well, these came about because I was video chatting with my collaborator in Indonesia, Agus. And I was feeling agitated because I kind of like I am lately, because we hadn't come out with any new designs in a while. And so I was saying to him, we speak in Indonesian when we're talking, and I said something like, okay, bagaimana kalau begini? Saya mau bikin satu koleksi dengan bentuk yang dasar seperti kotak, segitiga, dan lingkaran. And then, so that means like, okay, I want to make this collection with simple shapes. I want to make a square, a triangle, and a circle. Begini, saya gambar dulu, which means like this. I'm going to draw it. And so I made these drawings on paper, and I held them up like this. And he's like, okay, sebentar. And he took a screenshot. That's what they are. These are my drawings over video chat that he
That's
screenshot.
Nice.
And he was like, okay, saya bikin. I'm going to make them.
It's a bit of a Sesame Street moment. Square.
Yeah.
Circle. Triangle.
And then, you know, you can see that they're like these imperfect outlines.
I love that so much.
And I said, you know, saya tidak mau bikin yang sempurna. Mau bikin yang seperti sedikit kasar, seperti gambar, which means like, I don't want to make it perfect. I just want to make it like a drawing, just like not you know, just like rough, a little bit rough. And that was it. And he's like, okay.
Yeah, not machine made, because they're all handmade pieces.
Yeah, they're handmade.
It's perfect.
So that's how that happened. And I didn't know what to call them, so I called them magic shapes. And then I was in a show, and this woman said, oh, I love these mid-century modern shapes. And I was like, oh, that's such a better name. Now they're mid-century modern.
As opposed to magic shapes. You made it from Sesame Street to like NPR or something a bit more.
Yes, it's true. It's from Sesame Street.
It's all PBS,
to all
but
things
adult
considered.
programming, child programming. There, it's perfect.